Ooh, look what the storm blew in. Well, this truck has been long in coming. We've done a restoration over the last, year and a half on this Land Cruiser, and it is complete. Final details and touches have been pretty much done, and it looks quite fine sitting here all by itself in the snow. Very contrasty. It is House of Color Midnight Blue color paint, 3-stage paint, black underneath, blue, and then a clear coat. In between each of the coats, it has been wet sanded and buffed and cleaned. On the front there is our front bumper without the top hoop. There's power steering unit. Also has an ARB Dakar suspension. It is 1979, though we have used the older style bezel. The wheels are a 33 1050-15 BF Goodrich, and the truck is from Pennsylvania. This is probably the cleanest car right now in New Hampshire. We've had a lot of snow here over the last few days, so take a look inside. Oh, still some of the cleaning rags in there. Overall, it's a very nice restoration. Tuffy center console. This is actually the fun part of the vehicle. We were able to find a used, but in excellent condition on a scale of 1 to 10. It's about a 9.8. A used Confer rear bench seat. Very rare. Has storage underneath and in the back. And what we did was we came in and did a little bit of sandblasting to clean up some very light surface rust on it, which was very minimal, and installed it. Right now we have a JL Audio speaker system here in the back. Along with a nice head unit by, I do believe, Kenwood, right there. This is our headliner. We're always asked about our headliners. This is our seamless headliner up there with a stock roll cage. The upholstery we did. And also it's been Linux. We'll come down here and look at the seat brackets. Everything's been Linuxed. Looking back here, so there it is. Close the door. Ooh, is it cold. But it warms your heart to see this truck. Very nice. Nicely done.